Morning, children.
Good morning, children.
Today we are going to learn 5 magic words, and these are thank you, sorry, excuse me, welcome, and please. Fine. So, where we have to use these words and how to use these words, let's see. Okay, kids. So today we are going to see how we are going to use these 5 magic words. So first magic word is thank you and welcome. So today is Namrata's teacher's birthday and Malika teacher have brought gift for her. So let's see.
Happy birthday, Namrata teacher. This is a gift for you. Thank you so much. Welcome.
Wow. So which word teachers have used? Thank you and welcome. So next magic word is sorry. So let's see how we are going to use this word sorry. So now Rihanna teacher and Khushbu teacher is playing with ball. Yes, by mistakenly Khushbu teacher pushed Rihanna teacher. So now which word we are going to use?
Sorry. It's okay.
Sorry word we have to use when we pushed anyone. So next magic word we are going to use please. So let's see. So Shilpa teacher and Khushbu teacher is going to use please word. So let's see. Shilpa teacher wants to lift the bag and it's too heavy. So she is unable to lift the bag. So now she is going to take the help of Khushbu teacher.
Excuse me, can you help me please?
Yes, sure. Why not?
Thank you.
Okay, so now which word teacher have used? Please, right? Thank you. So next magic word we are going to use excuse me. So Rihanna teacher wants to walk on the road, but Namrata teacher and Khushbu teacher is standing in the middle of the road. Let's see.
Excuse me.
So the Rihanna teacher have used which word? Excuse me. If someone is standing in the middle of the road, so you have to use excuse me. Okay, so today we have learned 5 magic words. That was thank you, welcome, sorry, please and excuse me. Thank you teachers.
Thank you.